Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Project Tours. Today I'm going to be touring you through the kitchen area of our McCleery and Magee residential project. This home is one of the show homes, which is part of an 8 residential development in South Vancouver. This residence is 4,000 square feet. And as you walk into the kitchen area, you pass the stairs that go up to the second level. They've got gold railings, gold spindles, a beautiful light oak matte floor that has a little bit of a rustic undertone, white risers, and lots of applied moldings as you go up the stairs and into the hallway on the second level. I love that the stairs are so connected to the open concept kitchen area because the stairs with the gold railings really add a beautiful layered touch to this whole space. This kitchen is a real elegant chef's kitchen. That's what I really like. It's super functional. It feels really open, really expansive. The windows bring in lots of natural light, and it's just an amazing space to entertain, to cook, to relax in. I love this space. One of the details that House of Bohn introduced to the kitchen is really framing out the back line. So you'll see that the back line is framed out in millwork, and then the top of the millwork is cased with a crown molding. That really works to give the kitchen a nice frame, some structure, and it contains all the cabinetry in a really beautiful way. The cabinets are a shaker profile cabinet. We wanted something that was a little bit traditional, so we opted for shaker profile because of the area that we're situated in. Part of the concept when designing this entire house was to do something that was a little traditional, a little British inspired, because we're also near the Southlands Riding Club. So there was an element of equestrian lifestyle that we wanted to bring into this home, hence some of the traditional details. The House of Bohn team came up with this great idea of using multiple pieces of hardware on all of the cabinets. So rather than just having one pull, most of the cabinet doors have 2 pulls. Same goes for the drawers. What that does is it gives the cabinets a really layered look with a lot of detail. You see this studding effect, which is really unusual in a kitchen, but it gives the kitchen so much personality, lots of sparkle, and it just makes the kitchen very unique when it comes to a modern take on traditional kitchens. For the countertops, we chose to use a beautiful marble that has this great gray veining. We opted to go for a backsplash that looks completely seamless. So the countertop runs right to the backsplash, and then we've used a full slab for the backsplash. That creates a little bit of a contemporary look, but with the veining in the marble really pops against these white cabinets. You get a lot of drama and a lot of character in this backsplash. Now, I should mention that these cabinets aren't a true white, it's a little bit of an off-white. So rather than being really stark, this tone creates a lot of warmth in the kitchen, and this tone also picks up on a lot of the gray and cream colored furniture that you see in the family room and in the kitchen nook. A little tip for you guys when you're selecting paint colors for kitchen millwork is that I like the millwork to really blend in with the home. So we've actually got a lighter tone or a lighter shade of white on the walls and the ceilings, and then our millwork is actually a little bit softer. That creates more of a dynamic effect in the home, and even though it's subtle, you do get a much more layered effect. One of my favorite aspects of this kitchen is this custom gold hood. Now, I have to say this is probably one of the signature designs from House of Bohn where we really incorporate a stepping detail or a lot of geometry into our spaces. If you look closely, you'll see that throughout our portfolio quite a bit. In this case, we've got a nice large industrial hood fan that's cased in this gold frame. You see you've got this little stepping detail on the side. It kind of has a little bit of an Art Deco feel to it, but it's used in a really modern way. This hood goes all the way to the top of the cabinets. So as soon as you walk into this kitchen, the hood fan has presence, it makes a statement, and it's a big, bold, sculptural, beautiful piece in the kitchen. Because this is a big statement kitchen and a true chef's kitchen, we decided to incorporate Wolf appliances throughout. So we've got this really great Wolf range. The wine fridge is also Sub-Zero Wolf, Wolf wall ovens, and a Sub-Zero fridge. A detail that I really like in this kitchen is the open shelving in the corner. This could have been closed with a corner cabinet, but corner cabinets are often really tricky to access, especially when you have things tucked away in the back. In this case, the open cabinets allow for things like cutting boards, recipe books, things that you want to access really quickly and easily, and that you want to store away also really quickly and easily. So I love this little detail. We've integrated the fridge and the freezer, as well as the wine fridge, into the millwork. I really like doing this because the cabinets are so special with all of the hardware, the detailing, that we didn't want to have the fridge be exposed. For the hardware on our appliances, these are also by Schoolhouse, and they're nice, big, thick gold appliance pulls, but they match perfectly with all the other Schoolhouse hardware throughout the kitchen. I love having a fridge, wine fridge combination, especially a full height wine fridge, because there's something just so luxurious and elegant about a full stand-up wine fridge. And to be honest with you guys, if this was my fridge and full of wine, I'd be going through a lot of wine. Now, one of the best parts of this kitchen is the kitchen island. This is a big, oversized kitchen island with the same gorgeous marble that's on the back counter. We managed to get one full slab for this kitchen island, so there are no seams, and it looks so beautiful. I want to point out that this kitchen island is painted in a navy blue. And this pop of color against all of the neutral tones, the white and gray marble, the beautiful light shade of wood floors, the light creamy paint colors, makes this blue pop. There's something really elegant, something really sophisticated, but also playful about having a blue island in a space like this. This island was also designed so that it had a little bit of a traditional or craftsman feel. So you see the detailing on the corners of the island. There's panels that are also shaker panels, and that was done really deliberately to give this island a lot of presence and a lot of substance. We placed the kitchen sink in the center of the island. In this case, we've got a sill granite sink. I love this sink line because it's so scratch resistant, color resistant, but it's beautiful. And when you've got a nice big white marble countertop, you want something like a white sink, especially when you've got beautiful gold fixtures. Now this faucet is from Acroboss. This is from the Brush Gold collection, and it's a great faucet with a detachable wand, very elegant, perfect for a kitchen like this. And we also have a little soap dispenser to match the gold faucet. The other thing about this kitchen island that I really love is you're seeing 4 stools in front of the island right now, but you could easily seat up to 6 people at this island. There's something so big and expansive about this, and the way that the kitchen is laid out with the fridge over to my left and the range to my right, as well as the sink in the middle, you've got tons of prep space, tons of workspace. This kitchen is super functional and primed for entertaining. What I love about this kitchen is that it's completely open concept. This kitchen is adjacent to a family room that has beautiful finishings, including a nice big marble fireplace with a heavy molding detail. It's got a gorgeous chandelier that really sparkles with gold accents, and you can really enjoy a seating area that also has big windows that look outside, so tons of natural light comes into this space. Now, last but not least, I want to point out the nook that's over here. So like I said, this kitchen is open to a family room and a nook, and this nook is great because it seats easily 6 people. We've styled the nook so it's got a beautiful rustic table, great cream color chairs, and we installed this light fixture from Restoration Hardware. I love the black on the chandelier. It's kind of a nice change from all the gold accents throughout the house, but it still has the beautiful tiered chandelier look and the sparkle from all the crystals. And because it's so close to the kitchen, it's the perfect place to, again, entertain, to host friends, to seat your family, or to just hang out in the morning and have a great cup of coffee. That's it for this kitchen tour of the House of Bohn McCleery Magee residential project. I hope you guys liked this kitchen. I personally love it. It's one of my favorite kitchens that we've ever designed. If you want to see more from this kitchen, you can check out the photos on our website at houseofbohn.com. And thanks so much for watching today's project tour.